Today I'm going to show you how to replace documents in DocuSign templates without losing fields. This is incredibly useful when you need to update a contract or form, but want to keep all your signature fields, date stamps, and text boxes exactly where they are. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard where you can access all your documents and templates. Now look at the top toolbar on your screen. You'll see several options available, and from these, click on Templates. This section houses all the template documents you've created or have access to within your account. It's the central hub for managing reusable documents that you send out regularly. Next, navigate through your template list to find the specific template where you want to replace the document. Once you've located it, look right beside the template name where you'll see 3 dotted lines. Click on those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, select Edit. This opens up the template in editing mode, giving you full control to make modifications. Once you're in the editing interface, navigate to the Documents section. Here you'll see the current document attached to your template. Click on the 3 dotted lines next to the document, and from the options presented, select Replace. This is the key step that allows you to swap out the old document for a new one while preserving all your fields. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Browse through your computer's files and select the document you want to use as the replacement. Once you've chosen the correct file, click Open. The system will begin uploading your new document, so give it a moment to process. You might see a loading indicator while DocuSign processes the replacement. After the upload completes, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and click Next. This moves you forward in the process and allows DocuSign to map your existing fields onto the new document. The platform does a great job of maintaining field positions, but it's always good practice to review them. At this stage, you can adjust any standard fields you previously added, such as signature boxes, date fields, or text entry areas. Take a moment to ensure everything is positioned correctly on your new document. If any fields need slight adjustments due to formatting differences in the new file, now is the time to make those tweaks. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save and Close in the bottom right corner. Your template is now updated with the new document, and all your carefully placed fields remain intact and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.